You want to know about Forex because you want to know how to invest your money and where to invest your money and what role it plays in the trading world. When I first heard the term Forex, I assumed that it is a betting system or a gambling system. But in reality, it is not a gambling system or betting system. It is a system that allows to trade currencies and make money. So in this video, I am going to show you how to invest your money, where to invest your money, and actually what is Forex. Forex is the global financial market that allows trade currencies. If you think one currency will be stronger versus other, then you end up correct and you can make profit. If you want to go to a foreign country, then you have to exchange your currencies to that foreign currencies. Otherwise, you won't be able to buy goods and services from that country. If you want to order a service or a product from a foreign country, then you have to pay them in their currencies. What you have to do is you have to exchange your currencies to that country's currency. So in that process, you have participated in Forex. Forex market or else the FX market is the global decentralized market in which foreign currencies exchange happens. In that market, foreign exchange rates vary in seconds and it is always in flux. Large contributors of Forex markets are banks and also institutional firms. But in recent years, retail-oriented trading is growing. The interesting thing about Forex trading is it doesn't have a physical building, but it has trading terminals and also computer networks. Okay, let's go to see how Forex trading works. Trading Forex involves buying one currency, simultaneously selling of another currency. So, Forex traders try to make profit buying and selling currencies while speculating the direction of the Forex market. If you look at the Forex market, you can see currency pairs. Each pair has two currencies. The first currency of the pair is the base currency and the second currency is the quoted currency. For an example, if you look at an Euro USD currency pair, the Euro is the base currency and the US dollar is the second currency. The price of the Forex pair is how much is 1 unit of base currency in the quoted currency. Each currency of the currency pair has 3-letter code. The first 2 letters refers to the country of the currency. The last letter refers to the name of the currency. If you look at the GBP USD currency pair, GB refers to Great British and the P refers to pound. When it comes to USD, US means United States and then the D refers to dollars. Now you can understand what is the currency pair in Forex market. To be more clear, let's move to Euro USD currency pair. Let's think that the value of the currency pair is 1.544. It means that 1 euro is worth 1.544 of dollars. If the price of euro rises against USD, then the market is going upward. If the prices of euro drops against USD, then the market go down. This is how the Forex market works. Okay, let's think you have 1 euro. Okay, now you want to exchange that euro to US dollars. Now the pair rate is 2.0000. Okay, when you exchange your euro to US dollars, you will get 2 US dollars. Okay, now you have 2 US dollars. You wait a little bit of time and then you come again to change those 2 US dollars to your local currency, that means euro. Okay, now the price of the pair is 1.0000. When you exchange, you will get 2 euros. Now you have 1 euro more. That means you have gained 1 euro profit. That is forex trading. In forex trading, what you have to do is you have to predict that market. If you are correct, then you can earn, you can gain, you can get your profit. So what you have to do is you have to predict the market. If you know the way these currencies are changing, then you can predict this market and you can earn the profit. You can earn the money. But it is not really simple because these currencies change in their values rapidly. When it comes to forex trading, if you are going to trade on forex, then there is a high risk. So I advise you to, if you don't know about anything forex, first learn. Then you can understand the structure of the market and you can understand the way it is going to be, and then you can predict the market. Otherwise you can't predict the market and you don't know what you are going to do, and you just enter to the market and then lose all of your money and then leave the forex market blaming to forex market as a gambling system. But in reality it is not a gambling system, it is a kind of understanding of the market, and you buy one currency and sell of another, and then you make profit using the difference of these two currencies. Actually, in this world, no one can guess the direction of the forex market because it has lots of things that changes the value of these currencies, and it is really difficult to guess the direction of the market. But if you are following the market, if you are following the currencies and you know the things that influence on these currencies, and then you can get some ideas, and you can then predict the market and the way it behaves. But it is not really simple. So if you are expecting to invest on forex market, first you have to learn about the forex market and its structure and the function. Otherwise definitely you will lose your money. So forex has lots of things to learn. Okay, the most important things if you are coming to invest on forex market is the money management. So you have to be a good manager of money, otherwise you will lose your money. And also you have to know the risk to reward ratio. Okay, and also you have to learn about how you are going to invest your money, where to invest your money. So what you have to do is, if you want to invest your money, then you have to find a broker. So though there are lots of legit brokers, there are plenty of scammers. So you have to be aware of that, and you have to find good brokers for your investment first. The other thing is, if you are going to invest on forex market, you have to know how to open a trade, how to close a trade, and how to wait for your profit, and how to adjust stop loss. And there are plenty of things in this forex market. So I hope to explain about these things in my future videos. So you have to learn one by one. after learning these things, you can get an idea about forex market, and then you can trade forex with your own strategy or with your own system. Without a system, without a strategy, without an aim, actually jumping into the forex world is a suicide. But if you are an experienced trader, then you know your risk and you know your reward, and you have a strategy, and you have a trusted broker to start trading. Okay, then you can invest your money. But without knowing, without learning about these things, don't even think about trading forex, right? So education is a must. I followed a lot of traders, I followed a lot of strategies, I followed a lot of indicators, and also ES, that means forex robots. So none of these works for me. Okay, so therefore um, uh, try to gather the knowledge about forex. In this channel, actually, I hope to give you my knowledge, and I try to simplify this complex uh, complex money making method, complex trading method. We learned, okay, already we have learned something about forex, but you have to learn about other things. You have to learn about the terms that I used in forex trading. You have to learn about the charts. Okay, you have to learn about the candles, you have to learn about the bars. Okay, there are plenty of things. You have to learn to read the news of the market, and you have to learn how to read the big news of the country. So there are plenty of things you have to think before investing your money on forex trading. So I advise you, please be patient and try to gather the knowledge, and then test your strategies using demo account. You can use demo accounts. If not, you can use, I mean, $100 account to test your strategies. Use $1 per trade. I means you have to use I mean uh, small lot sizes for that, and you can see then where you are. Can you then you can see you can whether you can make profit. Okay, you can count you can count that as a percentage. Then you can if you can then consistently make money, then you can invest your money without fear, because you have then a strategy, a working strategy. Then you can do a lot more. Without knowing, without understanding the theories behind forex trading, don't even think about to trade forex. It's really, really difficult. Okay, uh, you will find lots of videos, you will find lots of information about forex trading, but you have to you have to create your own strategy to uh, go to your target. Otherwise you can't make money. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.